I'm fine. I'm fine.
Okay, well, hopefully we've succeeded in coming across that you're watching Pickle TV. But we're sitting here putting the new show together, and we're going through some footage, and we see this thing that I taped a few years back. And it's of this band called Triggerman Zero. I don't know if you've ever heard of them or not. But there's this thing that Booher, the singer, does while he's singing that's just... You gotta see this. It's hilarious. I think it's hilarious. Maybe you might not, but I do. So watch.
I'm on fire. You want to walk that wire. What the fuck were you thinking, saying my shit?
Did you catch it? I mean, he just lets out this heinous belch right in the middle of the song. Let's watch it again.
You want to walk that wire. What the fuck were you thinking, saying my shit?
Now that's a smash hit comedy. Yeah. Did you catch it? Let's watch it again.
You want to walk that wire. What the fuck were you thinking, saying my shit? Switch it, you put out my pride, baby. Ready, going on the ship. Resurrected, ready right now. Ready. You want to walk that wire. What the fuck were you thinking, saying my shit? Switch it, you
Sorry. I just thought I would share that with everyone in the audience. Back to the show.
You don't understand. This is a TV program. People watch this show to be entertained. If you've already cut the meat, then who's going to entertain them? Get back here, lady. This is show business, and we've got a show to do.